her friends are watching Friends. Peppa and her friends are watching Peppa and her friends. Peppa and her friends are watching their favourite Super Seuss.
Ha, 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 ha. Am I a bird? Am I a plane? No, I'm a bird.
I love watching Super Seuss. Me too.
Vegetables and vegetables and vegetables and vegetables keep us vegetables. Always remember to eat your bird.
We've seen this before. I know all the words by words.
Yes, they show the same show again and again and again and again and again and again and again.
Brilliant, isn't it?
It's some sort of magic.
It's not, Mum. It's magic.
Edmund Elephant is a...
Shit! Would you all like to see how to see?
Yes, please.
No!
This is TT Land. Stop! Stop! Do you work here?
No.
Then I'm afraid you can't come.
But we are children. And we want to see how...
You can't come in.
But we are children.
You can't come in. In you go.
That's what she said.
Here is Miss Rat.
Have you come?
Bird. Bird.
Look, it's Super Potato.
Hello.
Bird.
Hello. You see? He's not tiny. He's big.
That's what she said.
The shush must go.
It's not magic. It's magic.
I am really getting tired of you right now.
Shut your mouth or I'll kill you.
Lots. Cat.
Vegetables and vegetables and vegetables and vegetables keep us bird. Always remember to eat your bird.
That was... The camera now turns all of that into the camera
Electromagnetic signal.
and down into the TV.
Susie, she and her mummy are at home watching Mummy.
Vegetables and vegetables and vegetables and vegetables and vegetables keep us bird.
Always remember to eat your
Bird.
Would any of you like to be on TV?
No! Okay.
What?
Just say something. Anything.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little
Penis.
Peppa and George are on TV. This is Mummy Pig. This is Daddy Pig.
Hello.
I can see you on TV.
Peppa, it's for you.
Am I tiny? Yes. Can I be on TV again?
No!
Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times.